AI generated content is completely crushing the game right now. This particular YouTube channel has gained over 200,000 subscribers and over 7 million views in just 6 months. And also this particular Instagram page has been able to generate an insane amount of views with over 100,000 followers using this trick I'm just about to show you guys today. If we take a closer look, what do all these channels have in common? They are simply using AI to create an image and animate the image with a voiceover so it just appears like it is talking. Upon seeing this, I quickly jumped online to learn how they were doing this, to implement it into my other YouTube channels and Instagram theme page. I'm just going to break down in a step-by-step format how you can easily recreate this kind of videos using just one AI platform, so you too can go viral as well, especially seeing how this kind of content seems to be performing really well. I'm going to be revealing how you can do this by using just 3 easy methods to get the best result. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily convert images into videos and use voiceovers to create engaging videos for IG Reels, how you can easily turn any AI generated image into a YouTube channel animated host that you could easily use to host your channel videos or just say quotes. And finally, I'm going to be revealing the third and final process you can implement this same strategy to 10x your income online. Let's get started. Now we're going to start with the first method, which is creating Instagram theme page style videos. So the first thing we're going to be needing to do is to create the image, and for that we're going to need an image generator. And for this method to work perfectly, you could easily decide to use DALL-E, Canva, Midjourney, or even Leonardo.ai. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be using Leonardo.ai. Now we're going to try to model after this Instagram theme page that has been able to generate over 2 million views implementing these simple strategies. And all the tools we are going to be using are completely free with the link in the description. At this point, let me just show you guys something I was able to create with just a few clicks.
Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand.
And what I did was I created an AI image and I used DupDub to add a voiceover and bring the images to life, just like what you're seeing. And then I put it all together using CapCut. Awesome stuff. And these are the steps we are going to be following to achieve this result. And you want to easily enter this particular prompt you're seeing into Char GPT. Asking Char GPT to generate a list of at least 7 most influential persons in history and at least 2 of their most influential quotes. And we are going to also need to generate an image for our chosen historical figure. So from the above list, I selected Marie Curie, and now I asked Char GPT to help me create prompts I could easily use for another AI image creator to generate images for these historical figures. And after this was done, I went down to select the prompt used to create Marie Curie. And from here on, you want to head over to Leonardo.ai to generate the image. Now inside of Leonardo.ai, with the link in the description, you want to select image creation. Now you want to paste in the Marie Curie image prompt you selected from Char GPT into the prompt area, and go over to model/presets and select Phoenix 0.9. and change the image dimensions to 2 to 3, as this is ideal for Instagram Reel type videos. And just click on generate. Our images are being created. And now the first set of images are ready, and they seem pretty decent, but I don't like the direction that she seems to be looking at, as I want her to be looking as if she's looking into the camera. And so I'm just going to head back into the prompt to give it a little modification. At the end of the prompt, I'm just going to add she's looking straight into the camera and hit generate again. And as you can see, this is ready and it is perfect, just what we want. And now you want to hover over to the image that you desire and you want to select download to save this into your PC. Now you want to head over to DupDub, and they are actually our today's sponsor, and we are going to be generating our voiceover using DupDub and also bring our images to life. Thanks to DupDub for sponsoring this video. This software is particularly amazing because its free version offers you so much, especially as a YouTuber or a content creator. This software's free version gives you access to 30 script generations per day as compared to other script generators out there. As you can see, inside of this software you have access to AI voiceovers, AI transcriptions, AI avatar, AI translations, which particularly allows you to easily convert any video from English to any local dialect and vice versa. And it also features an editing suite. And if you go over to the video section, it gives you access to easily download trending videos from popular sites without watermark. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be using the AI voiceover section. And so you want to easily click on that and head back into Char GPT to copy your quote from Marie Curie. Now you want to hover back to the more voices section and select gender and choose female and select Josie, as she seems to be very realistic and popular. Head back and just hit generate play button. And currently it's creating a voiceover, and when it is done, you just want to download it into your PC by clicking on the export, MP3 and generate and export. And this is actually the sweet part, where we get to bring together the image we created from Leonardo and the voiceover from DupDub into one Instagram reel type video. And for that, we are still going to be using DupDub. Inside of DupDub, you want to click on AI avatar, and when it loads up, click on upload face photo and choose the image you created with Leonardo.ai, and then you want to head over to the right side of your interface and choose the AI voiceover section. Here select upload, and now you want to select the audio you initially created using DupDub, and once it has been uploaded into the interface, you want to simply click on generate talking avatar on the top right corner and hit on generate. Now it will take some time to process, but after it's done, this is our result.
Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less.
At this point, if you want, you could decide to head back into CapCut just to add some subtitles to this to make it look more professional and presentable, too easy to create. At this point, we are done with the first, which is creating Instagram Reel video types. And let us see just how easy it is for us to create a YouTube channel or video host. And this is even easier than the first. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now, the second method is basically doing the same thing, but changing the image dimension to 16:9, which is ideal for YouTube videos, and also doing a longer script, as the host will get to read your YouTube script for you. And this is how to easily carry it out. You want to head over to Char GPT and ask it to generate a prompt for another AI to create your YouTube channel host and describe what your channel is about and other details you want to see in your host. At this point, you want to take a hint from how detailed I was in my own description here. And when this prompt has been generated, you want to easily copy this prompt back to Leonardo.ai, and you want to simply just change the dimension to 16:9 aspect ratio to fit your YouTube channel, and then click on generate. And when it is ready, you want to just preview it. Now, I like what we see, but this is not the kind of host I'm going to be using for this channel, as I would prefer 3D style images, as those seem to capture attention more. And so you want to just go at the beginning and at the end of the prompt and include 3D Disney style animation and hit generate again. And these are a lot better, as you can see, and more captivating for a YouTube channel host. At this point, you want to easily save it to your PC and head back into DupDub. And now just to generate the audio, and so you want to just carry out the same processes you carried out before by simply coming onto DupDub, pasting your script and going over to the voice section and selecting your voiceover and easily exporting it once it is ready. And now for the final step, we're going to try to generate our YouTube channel host. Upload your channel avatar that you just finished creating using Leonardo.ai, and also upload your audio into DupDub, then merge them together and hit generate. And again, this will just take a few moments to generate, and this is the end result.
You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to create a talking channel avatar like me to host your YouTube video. If you think I'm cute, please leave a like on this video.
And for the third and final method, now this is where we are going to be creating an influencer old wise man to share wisdom. And we're going to be achieving this using basically the same steps as the former. First, you want to go to Char GPT to create a prompt to generate a wise old man in his 90s. And you can take inspiration from the details from my own prompt, as you can see on screen. And after this is done, you want to also generate some wise statements that the wise man in his 90s may advise. And secondly, you want to head over to Leonardo.ai to create an image in IG or YouTube format with the prompt generated from Char GPT. And then you want to easily, when it is done, save it into your system and head back into DupDub, our today's sponsor. And you want to bring this image to life in two methods. First, you go over to the voiceover section and paste in the words of wisdom into the prompt area. Now go to more voices, select gender, and choose male, age, select seniors. And then you want to particularly select Simon Carter. And after this, you want to just export it into your desktop. And for the second method, head over to the AI avatar section and click on new avatar, upload the new face photo, and you want to select the new face photo, upload the photo of the old man from your gallery. Now select the old man's image, and at this point you can either upload the voiceover you created from before or just do it on screen by easily selecting the AI voiceover and pasting the voiceover script generated by Char GPT. And then you want to select voiceover files in the right corner, then seniors and Simon Carter again, and after this hit generate, and this is our result.
Listen more than you speak, and when you do speak, let your words carry wisdom and compassion. True understanding begins with silence, for life will test you with both joy and sorrow. Embrace them both, for they shape who you are and teach you to value every moment.
Simply brilliant, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next Saturday.